Hi, I'm recording this video to demonstrate the features that you can use using advanced account sharing. And this is like logged in as a regular user. And this user is not an administrator because we don't see that extra tab right here. So I'll switch this account to another user, and that user is not even an administrator. And we'll see what all things are possible to manage. So I'll click on the profile and then switch account. And then I'll choose this user +1 with the name Chanko. And now we are on manage tab of Chanko, and these are the tabs that we get access to. First one is in progress tab. This contains the agreements that have been sent by Chanko and are out for signature. There's one agreement that was sent on 29. So once you click here, you can cancel the agreement, and that agreement is canceled. Now it should lie here. This is the agreement that we canceled. And similarly, we can go to web forms, and if we click here and we try to make changes here, there is no option to change the ownership of this form. Though we can edit this web form, we can even add a new file for this web form, because you see we can add files and add a new file, more like a test document or something, and then we can make that sort of a change, but we cannot make those grayed out area changes like this. We can play with the fields, make updates, like for example deleting this field in the form and update. So we can do these kind of things, and we're again viewing as Chanko, which is not the actual account that should be logged in. So we can make changes to the web forms, but we had no options to change the ownership. Now if I go back to the manage tab again one more time, and I try to check templates, there are some templates, but I don't see any template that has been created by this user. So we'll not do anything with the templates, but we can clearly see that for the web forms, we don't see the change ownership or add new ownership, because the original owner is Chanko, and we are logged in as Chanko, more like switched our account as Chanko. Now we'll do the same thing while logged in as an administrator and see if we can see that option. So I'll click here again and I'll sign out. And instead of this API user, I will now log in as my administrative account, which is an administrator for Adobe Sign. And I have shared the Chanko user with the administrative account. So if you see the admin tab here, that means this user, first and last, is registered as an administrator for Adobe Sign. So I'll click here and then switch account. And now again, I'll switch to the Chanko account one more time. Earlier, we were logged in as a different user, which was API user by the name. And if I go to web forms now, I see the web form that has been created today. And on clicking here, we'll see these options, and we have 5 more options. And here you go, is the new owner option, which is available only if I'm originally logged in as an administrator. So changing ownership is possible if you're an administrator. If you're a regular user, you will not get that option to change the ownership of a web form while using the advanced account sharing. You can cancel the agreements, you can send reminders on agreements, that will work flawlessly, but changing ownership of an agreement of a web form is not possible being a regular user. Thank you. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to drop me a message or an email. Thank you.